In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your Hostinger account to find important server details such as your IP address and server name. Understanding how to access these details is crucial for managing your website effectively, especially when you're making changes or troubleshooting issues. So, let's dive right into it. First off, you'll want to log into your Hostinger account. If you're not yet on Hostinger's website, go ahead and open your preferred web browser and enter the Hostinger URL. Once there, you'll see the option to log in at the top right corner of the home page. Click on that. When prompted, enter your login credentials. Now, if you've forgotten your username or password, don't worry. Hostinger offers a straightforward recovery process to help you regain access. Once you've successfully entered your details, hit that login button and you should be taken straight to your account dashboard. Now that you're logged in, your next step is to navigate to the hosting section. This might appear as a tab or a link on your dashboard. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. This section will show you all the hosting plans and domains associated with your account. The central hub for managing your hosting services on Hostinger. From there, you will see an array of options and different hosting plans if you manage more than one. Next to your chosen domain or hosting package, you should see a Manage button. Click this Manage button for the hosting plan you wish to view. This takes you to a more detailed dashboard for that specific hosting arrangement where you delve deeper into the specifics of your server configuration. When you're on the management page, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. Various features and settings are available here to help you optimize and control your account. However, right now, our primary focus is on the server details section. So look towards the dashboard. Usually this section is prominently displayed, but if it's not immediately visible, don't hesitate to scroll down a bit. In the server details area, you'll find a couple of critical pieces of information: your server's IP address and the server name. Knowing your IP address can be beneficial for a variety of tasks, including setting up DNS records or configuring your firewall settings. Similarly, the server name is invaluable for identifying the specific server your domain is hosted on, which is particularly useful if you're working with a team or communicating with Hostinger support. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully accessed your server details. This basic skill forms the foundation of effective web management, and staying informed about such details ensures that you're always prepared to address any potential challenges that arise. Thanks for watching, and here's to mastering your website management on Hostinger.